Hello everyone, Sticky or Paul from Maplewood Studio. How you all doing? So first up, the microphone comes in a great little flight case box. We get it on the camera down there. We have the microphone, the basket and the cable. That's all you need to get going. So first of all, let's have a look at the basket. Very simple design. Under the logo we have a nice green LED which lights up when it's plugged in to tell us that the microphone. Hear what you think. I was pleasantly surprised with this microphone. Okay, so in the basket, it's just a simple drop it in and spin it around on the threads, and there is a nut on the bottom that is also loose that enables you to get